This is our for low model torque wrench. Our swivel coupler allows 360 degrees 180 degrees rotation, eliminating spatial limitations. This is the reaction pawl, engineered to counteract ratchet reversal and enhance torque transmission efficiency and precision. This hexagon reducer can convert the across flat size from 60 mm to 55 mm, install it into the low profile wrench, then tighten the screws to complete the assembly. Connect the hydraulic hose to the wrench pump. Ensure the connector is fully inserted without gaps to prevent oil flow blockage, then tighten the nut. When connecting the hose to the torque wrench, ensure a tight connection because ensures sealing integrity, prevents hydraulic oil leakage, avoids air or contaminant ingress. Press and hold the jog button on the remote switch, then rotate the pressure regulator clockwise until reaching the required pressure. Current operation. With the reaction pawl's right side facing down, the wrench is in tightening nuts mode. Flip the wrench to the opposite side to switch to loosening nuts mode. If the wrench cannot be removed after completing work, press and hold the reaction pawl. Apply pressure to remove the wrench. After finishing work, always replace the dust cover to prevent dust ingress during disassembly.